To enable unlock with fingerprint feature on WhatsApp in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, open WhatsApp. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right. And then select setting. Tap privacy. Next, scroll down the screen. Tap fingerprint unlock. And then tap the gray on offset next to unlock with fingerprint to enable this option. Place your registered fingerprint. When the switch runs screen, it means that this option is on. Now you will need to use fingerprint that you have registered before on your phone to open WhatsApp. However, you still can answer the calls while WhatsApp is locked. To see how it works, close WhatsApp and then reopen it. You can see that you will be asked to scan your fingerprint to open it. Place your fingerprint on the scanner to open WhatsApp. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.